Imagine a container bursting full of spring flowering bulbs at your front door next year. Choose a container that has drainage holes and make sure your container is 12 inches across and at least 12 inches deep. Your bulbs will need a well-draining potting mix, so we suggest using an indoor potting mix with additional perlite added for drainage. For maximum impact, I like to plant one variety of bulb per container. Today I'm planting Candy Prince. This is one of my favorites. For every 2 scoops of soil, I like to add 1 scoop of perlite, and then I mix it in as I go. And this adds good drainage to my potting mix. Once my pot is halfway full, I'm going to add a handful of bulb food, and this is just going to help my bulbs develop a good root system. Plant your bulbs with the pointy end up. When you're putting them in the pot, keep them about 1 inch away from the edge of the pot. Individual bulbs can be spaced about 1/2 inch apart in your pot. For a little instant beauty, I like to plant a complementary color of winter pansies over my bulbs. Before I plant my pansies, I like to add another handful of bulb food to my soil. I gently mix it in, and that will help my pansies root in. Once you've planted your pansies, water everything in well. Place your container under cover and check for moisture monthly.